Hi guys, I know it's been like forever since I've put up one of these videos, but hopefully it has been worth the wait because I've finally got around to doing something that I've wanted to do for a while now, which is update my code so that it adjusts for the distance you are from your screen. So basically what that means is it'll be one-time calibration, and you'll never have to calibrate again, and also there should be quite a substantial jump in accuracy. So I'll run you guys through what you have to do to update your light guns. Fortunately, the setup is exactly the same, so if you've built a Samco Light Gun and you're running the 4 IR LED sketch, it's basically just update your code and you're ready to go. I'll just put a quick note in here for anyone who's just stumbled across this video and wondering what a Samco Light Gun is and what it's all about. I've made quite a few videos now with build guides and setup guides and stuff like that. So if you either check out my channel or go to my Instructables page, I'll put a link down in the description. You'll get a much better idea of what a Samco Light Gun is and what's this project all about. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get into updating this code. So just a bit of a reminder of what you'll need. You'll need obviously the Arduino IDE software, and then you'll need to set that up for the type of board you're using, which is on the Adafruit website. We'll run you through how to do that. And then the last thing you'll need, of course, is your code. So you can see here I've got a new folder in here called Samco Beta. That's the sketch we'll be using. So if you just go up to this green button here and click download. Once that's downloaded, just go to downloads and unzip that. And then we'll grab the beta folder and we'll drag that into our Arduino libraries. So you notice there's quite a few different folders in here now. That's because if you're running a 32U4 board, they have EEPROM on them, which is basically means you can save to them. So if we're going to upload to a 32U4 board, our calibration will be instantly saved to the board. And if we run on M0 or M4 board, we're just going to have to update the code a little bit to make sure that calibration is saved. So let's open the 32U4 sketch and we'll do that. So once that's opened up, basically all we need to do is make sure we're using the right board and we've got the right port selected and click upload. So the first thing you'll probably notice is if you move back a bit to a sort of working distance for the gun, that our gun is live straight away. It's probably not going to be super accurate. Those are just the settings of my gun I just left in there. But now we'll run through the calibration process and get it all calibrated for your particular setup. So first thing you want to do is push the calibration button. That'll pause your gun, and then we'll pull the trigger, and then you'll notice that your cursor will move to the center of the screen. Now we want to shoot that cursor as accurately as possible because that's going to send our center point for our camera. So once we've done that, the next step is you'll notice that your vertical axis is now locked. And what we want to try and do here is use the A and B buttons to shift that cursor up and down until it's lined up with the crosshairs on your gun. So I'm just going to quickly do that. And that's looking pretty good. So the next step is to pull the trigger until we have the horizontal axis locked. And then we want to do the same thing. So the A and B buttons to move your cursor left and right until it's nicely lined up with the crosshairs of your gun. and then pull the trigger again, and your gun's now calibrated. If you're using a 32U4 board, that's instantly saved onto the EEPROM, so even if you unplug your gun, plug it in again, all those calibrations will be saved, and you'll be up and ready to go. So the only difference for if you're running a M4 board is we'll need to update these values here, and then re-upload the code. So how we do that is we'll pause the gun and we'll open the serial monitor, and then we can see all our calibration offsets in there. So you simply just update them in here. And then re-upload that sketch, and then those calibration offsets are saved. And really it's as simple as that. You should notice a bit of an increase in accuracy, especially around the center of the screen when you can see at least two of your IR LEDs. And yeah, if you move further or back, it should stay pretty well calibrated. So that's it for now. I just wanted to get that code out to you guys, and obviously run through how to update it and all that. So hopefully you're all out there doing that, making your guns even better. The next video I want to do is probably going to be a bit of a FAQ. So if you guys do have any questions, just chuck them down in the comments below. Or another thing you can do is go to my Facebook page. I've got a group on there called Samco Light Gun Gang. There's a few people in there that have posted some stuff and been really helpful to other people with Samcos. So if you have any questions, that is probably your best bet if you need any help or just want to share your project or anything like that. As usual, give us a like, subscribe. That'd really help me out, and mean I can make heaps more of these videos for you guys. So that would be awesome. Yeah, I think that's about it. So as usual, thanks for watching. Cheers guys, bye.